This is a Digital Apprenticeship Service DAS portal. It's the government online hub designed for employers to find, fund and manage apprenticeship training all in one place. Today we're going to go over how you can manage training providers and manage permissions, and also how to reserve funding. Let's start with how to manage permissions and training providers. Scroll to the Manage Training Providers button. Here you'll be able to add a training provider and see your current ones. Click the Add a Training Provider button. On this page you will see all the available organisations that you can add a training provider to. Once you've selected the organisation, it will ask you to put in your training provider's name or reference number, the UK PRN number. You should now see a page allowing you to add the training company and set permissions such as apprentice records and recruiting apprentices. After you've selected your preferences, you should see a notification stating that you have added the training provider and set their permissions. On this page, you will also be able to change the permissions should you wish to, and it's as easy as that. Now, the other area that we want to talk about is funding reservations. This is where you can manage your apprentice funds. Scroll down to the Finances section of the page and select Funding Reservations. This will take you to a page showing you your current reservations with a button allowing you to reserve more. By clicking the button, you should go to a page like this. Remember, to reserve funding, you will need the month that you expect the apprenticeship training to start and the apprenticeship training course that the apprentice will take. Don't worry if you end up changing to another course, as this can be changed later. From here, click the Reserve Funding button and choose the organisation that is named on the contract with the training provider. Select yes or no to this question. If you don't remember the exact name of the course, don't worry, as the search bar will show you the options. You're able to select if the training has already started or if they will be starting soon within the next 3 months. After you've selected when they're starting, you'll be asked to confirm your reservation. Click Confirm and that's it. It's as easy as that. If you think that was easy, then contact us today at Qualitrain. We make apprenticeship training easy.